Hi, my name is Jerrad Havins, and I'm a financial freedom strategist. My team and I transform your money mindset to access better investment and credit opportunities that also maximize your buying power and allow you to take control of your financial future. Right out of high school, I got a job in real estate and mortgage financing, but I had no clue how to manage my debt, and I also didn't know how important my credit was. That was until the crash in 2008. I ended up moving back to Minnesota, but that's where I met my business partner, and together we started Credit Life. What I love most about what I do is when I hear from my clients how through our program they were able to get out of debt, improve their credit, achieve their lending goals, and get back their buying confidence. Whenever I'm not working, I love to spend time with my family. We love to go hiking, mountain biking, and I'm a huge gamer. I love League of Legends. The best way to reach me is by visiting my personal website, jerrad360.com.